y'all know what it is. Y'all know what it is. So it's time for us to jump in just to a quick session of going live, a quick live session, right quick. So let me go ahead and finish getting the other things set up on my end, and then we can jump right into it, y'all. We can jump right into it. So you already know we have to do that disclaimer for the day. And please note that the following is not legal advice and is provided for informational and educational purposes only. Investing in securities carries a high degree of risk and can result in the loss of your entire investment. You should consult with a qualified financial advisor or legal professional before making any investment decisions. The information contained in this presentation does not constitute an offer or solicitation to buy or sell any securities or other financial instruments. Any opinions expressed in this presentation are subject to change without notice and should not be relied upon as a recommendation to buy or sell any securities. Please do your own due diligence or research before making any investment decisions. All right, so let's just jump into it. Let's get going. Let's get popping. We're just going to take a look at some charts. Today is a bullish day, Monday, first trading day of the week. So you guys know I got to get the camera situation kind of set up for us. But let's take a look at this chart. So right now we are looking at Google, and Google is running up for the day. Google is running up for the day. So I've already done a few trades for the day, um, but still keeping an eye on the charts to see, just to get better at looking at candlesticks, just to get better at doing all that. All right. Let's just scroll through. Nice bullish day. Here we're looking at SPY. We're looking at the SPY chart, 30-minute chart. I was marking out this little white shaded area. I was hoping that this candle early in the day would have turned into a bearish engulfing, which would have gave me a signal to take some push to the downside. But clearly, today is a bullish day in the market with breaking new daily highs back to back to back. So I wouldn't chase anything right now. I would not chase anything at all. All right, people are trying to join, but they don't want to say what's up. Say what's up first before you try to join the live. I'm at a stage that, so I tried to get somebody on the live the other day, and it was my first person ever that asked to get on live. And as soon as I accepted the dude invite up to get on the live with me, bro just was like doing wild stuff. So I'm at a stage, just off of that one incident, I'm at a stage right now where, like, if I'm going to be going live with you, I have to know you. You have to be somebody that has already been in the mix with me. We follow each other, we're mutual, stuff like that. All right. All right. Very bullish. And we have, this is QQQ. We're looking at the daily chart, but look at this, not the daily chart. We're looking at the 30-minute, but look at this break of structure. So these are the days leading up. You could clearly see that we were in a downtrend, and then boom, today, Monday, we have this break of structure to the upside. So definitely, if you had signals or if you were bullish for the day, you definitely were looking good. All right, let's bring this back over here. There we go. There we go. All right. All right. I feel like I look super red with this lighting right now. Let's see. Let's see. So we just want to keep on rocking with it. You guys share the live. We're doing live trading, live trading. So we're going to take a look. Like I said, I already did some trades for the day. This is my trading journal right here. See if I can kind of bring it down. You guys could take a look. But overall for the day, I am down about $20-$30. If we look at today's trades, I did overtrade. So that's a lesson for the day. 1, 2, 3, 4. We can go up from here. So these are my 4 trades. I had a big loss starting the day. $275 hit my stop loss. And then I kind of clawed a lot of that back with these trades coming back here. So altogether, down $27 for the day. But yeah, this first loss of the day was really a result of not following any particular trading plan. So, I deserve to have this loss because it wasn't following anything. Yo, Mustafa, you got to follow first if you want to get on the live, bro. If you want to get on the live, you got to follow first. How are people like requesting to be on the live and I can't even see them? I don't see anybody on the live. Hold on. Let me see something. Let's see something. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Yo, y'all like and share it. And yo, if you join Passive Income University, if you join PIU, you get the first 30 days free. We go over trades. Yo, what's up, Will? Thanks for joining, bro. I appreciate you. Even if you're just stopping by, I appreciate you, Will. Now, if you want to look at anything, but I'm just doing a little my trading journal recap. So basically, just showing my performance so far for the beginning of January. Overall, for the month, I'm down a couple $100. Today, I had one big loss, this 275 here, but that's because I didn't stick to my trading plan. And then everything else that I did for the day was a part of the trading plan. And I clawed a lot back of that loss, but still ended today on about $27 down. So, yo, Jim, thanks for joining, man. Really appreciate you. Thanks for stopping by. Just taking a look at my trading journal. I feel like I'm probably the most transparent trader out there. I'm not saying I'm the best, not yet, but I am the most transparent. So if you join the community, you get a live look. I put all of my broker statements, my tax statements, my trading journal is open to everybody in the community. I don't hide anything. So everything is live screenshots. You have a live look at my trading journal when you join Passive Income University in the Discord. You get the first 30 days free. But I appreciate you, Jim. Right now, we're just keeping our eyes on the market, just keeping our eyes on the market. Very bullish right now. All these people are trying to get on the live and like just wilding. Like, yo, if you want to get on the live, I have to be following you. We got to be following each other first. That's just the name of the game. But I kind of this color is like making me look crazy red right now with the lights. Y'all give me a moment. I'm gonna try to adjust some of this color. Well, that didn't make it too much better, but we're just gonna rock with it for now. We are just gonna rock with it. All right, looking at QQQ right now. Looking at QQQ, obviously it's a bullish trend. I wouldn't jump in. I wouldn't chase anything. If you're already in your calls, you're doing good. You're eating. You were eating a lot. But let's see where I think QQQ might could go. Um, right now, we might hit this midpoint going back to, and I'll show y'all. So we might have a little bit of resistance right here going back to January 2nd. So January 2nd, we could hit some resistance. We'll just put just a little bit of a marker right here. And like I said before, if you've been following me, I usually would recommend not to do a straight line just on your support and resistance. You really should do an area, a rectangle. But for the simple sake of just keeping it simple for the live, back on where we at January, what's that? Boom, boom, boom. January 2nd. So here we got QQQ traveling up. So if you're in calls right now, QQQ, this would be like a profit target. And it is still somewhat of a long ways away. So I wouldn't be greedy, right? If you're already in profit, this would be a good area to take profit right now for QQQ. It is a very bullish day in the market, but yep. So if you got any tickers you want me to take a look at, Jim, I'll take a look at them. As we already know, the day is a pretty bullish day. Here's Amazon. Amazon on the 30-minute chart. It looks like we've got some consolidation going on. Let me bring this over. Bow. So here we got with Amazon. Some consolidation is kind of struggling to break out of this range for the day since it got up here. Now I have this line that marked the high of a couple of days ago, which was right here, January 4th. This was January 4th. This was the high. And as we can see, it became a level of support for Amazon. So, you just want to be careful. You just want to be on top of these things. We got consolidation for Amazon. Yeah, that means, but everything else is the overall market is appearing bullish today. This is Google right here, just running up. Let's take a look. This is Bank of America traveling down. Now, Bank of America's got earnings this week. Bank of America does have earnings. So I would just be on top of that. I think that we might see some kind of crazy movement with Bank of America if you just keep a close eye on it. They report earnings on Friday before the market opens. So, if you are on top of following Bank of America, just watch out for that. I appreciate y'all. But like I said, so here's the thing, man. If you join Passive Income University today, you get the first 30 days free. And I always do like a monthly giveaway to people in the community. Last year I gave away $500. So I'm really proud of that. The goal for this year is to give away at least $1,000 for 2024, if not more. But I at least want to double the amount that I gave away to the Passive Income University community. So you guys just tap in, share the live. Jim, if you get a chance, try just try it out, Jim, because it is the first 30 days free. So if you're not rocking with it, you can quit anytime. I have plenty of things in there, courses, we do lives, we do recaps, we do one-on-ones, everything that you might need to help you get started with trading. But I just appreciate you just joining to be on the live either way. But just kind of cycling through the market. Here we are looking at the 30-minute chart on SPY. Here's QQQ trying to get up to that line that I'm telling y'all about. Now, we're already at 10 o'clock West Coast time. So there's only a few hours left in the day, and QQQ might not hit it. It might try to get close and then kind of fall down in power hour for the remainder of the day. But with that being said, if you are in calls or if you are bullish right now in the market, I would just exercise extreme caution. Exercise some extreme caution if you're in the market right now. Right now, right now, right now. Let's see. All right, we're taking a look at that's Amazon. Let's look at Microsoft. All right, Microsoft is broken out of that consolidation that we kind of see in this area that Amazon was facing, and now we're kind of shooting up. We had a new high of the day. It's actually reached the previous day's high. So this was Friday. Let me bring it in a little bit so we can see it. I'm going to zoom in. All right, so here we got the 2 days, today on the right-hand side, and then Friday on the left-hand side right here. And we've reached Friday's high. So it's looking like we're having trouble on Amazon or Microsoft, my bad. This is Microsoft. We're having trouble breaking past the high right now for Microsoft. As a matter of fact, I think a good thing that I should do is turn on the thing in the background so y'all can see the ticker symbol. That way I don't have to keep telling you and you know right off the back what it should be. Um, no, I forget. Where is that at? Yep, yep. But you know what, man? I have to give a big shout out to you, Jim. You're still on the live. It looks like you are still on the live. So, um, man, if you give me a follow, I'll give you a follow back or whatnot. If you got any questions, Jim, just hit me up. We could do a one-on-one right now if you like. Even if you don't want to come on the live or anything like that, just drop your questions in the chat and then I can answer them. So if you have anything about trading or investing, I'm all for it, big time. All right, all right. We're gonna keep this rolling. A little late in the day for my coffee, but I am rocking with it. Okay, let's see. Let me get that thing on the back. Canvas. There we go. Now we can keep that on there. You guys can tell what ticker symbol I'm looking at. Did they do it for all of them? Oh no. Let's see. We got to get this turned on for all of them. We got to get it turned on for them all. So that way y'all could see exactly what I'm talking about. Um, without me having to kind of break all that down. Yep, yep, yep. Why don't I just do this for Microsoft? Let me. I'm about to. I'm about to. Oh, it only keeps. Well, that's gonna be a little tough, but we're gonna figure this out. We're gonna figure it out. All right. Oh, it keeps it right there in the center. So if I just bring this over here like this, add a little bit. I don't like seeing the phone. All right. Let me get this about right here. A little over. There we go. Now we can see. Now we can see. Microsoft had is bouncing down, has some trouble trying to break that high of the previous day. But yeah, I appreciate y'all, man. Share the live, share the live. You know what I mean? Share it, whatever the case may be. I should have did a post on IG, just letting them know that I was live. But what's the daily ranking? What's all that? But yo, yeah, drop some likes, man. Drop some comments, whatever the case may be. We are rocking out with it. We're just taking a look. But I So I think the market is going to slow down just a little bit. That's what I'm saying. Might have a little bit of a dip and kind of taper out, I think, for the rest of the day. We're kind of like 11, 12, 1 halfway through the day, but let's just peep out how it goes. Let me see. Oh, we have a lost connection. Lost connection. Damn. I'm gonna get off the Wi-Fi since it wants to act weird. All right, Jim. If you could still hear me, if you could still see me on the live, Jim, just give me a thumbs up or drop a comment or something like that. Mm-hmm. Let's see. Looks like I might have lost it. I get off the live. What is going on here? Yo, yo, yo. I'm gonna keep rocking with it. I'm gonna just keep going, just keep rocking with it. This is crazy. Man. All right, we're just gonna keep on going. We're gonna keep rocking with it. Hmm. I'm about to. 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 About to. All right, yo. If y'all could still hear me, you could still rock with me. Let me know. Let me know. Thanks for the likes. Really appreciate it. Thanks for the likes. Thanks for the likes. I'm about to. I'm about to. All right. I need to find that setting that I was just looking at so we can get this added on here. Hmm. There we go. All right, so we are looking at SPY, which is trying to get back to its monthly and yearly open. But if I was to do anything right now, if I was forced to take a trade right now, which is really not a mentality that you want to entertain, um, everything seems like it's getting a little shaky right now. Just a little shaky here. We're looking at Walmart. Let me throw the watermark on it. Throw the watermark on it. Yo, Sarah, what's going on? Thanks for joining, Sarah. Thanks for joining. Really appreciate you. So if you are on, just tap in, say what's up. I appreciate any of y'all for stopping through. We're just kind of doing some charting, some all the way live charting. I don't know. People come and go so fast on the live, but I appreciate y'all. Just drop some likes. Like I said, you could join Passive Income University and get stuff going. I'm about to I'm about to uh, But like I said, here's the Discord Passive Income University. If you join today, you get the first 30 days free. So that's really dope. You could try it out. I know a lot of times when it comes to these financial uh influencers and trading communities, you don't really get the ability to try out and see what it's all about before you have to pay for something. So I take a lot of pride in just giving y'all the first 30 days free just to see if you're rocking with it or not. It looks like the live might be paused, but we're gonna keep on rocking with it. Hmm. I'm about to see. Let's see. Let's see. Yo, on TikTok, can y'all wave to people? I don't know if you can wave or not. I'm about to pull up on this like a yep, yep, yep. All right, here we are taking a look at Baba. That is looked like it was trying to close the gap, and I think it almost did. Let's see if Baba closed the gap. Let's see. Let's see. Baba Ganoush. I'm about to pull up on a. All right. So Baba got really, really close to yesterday's low. But let's see if it tried to close the gap. And it doesn't look like it. It doesn't look like it. It looks like we might have a pennant, a bullish pennant forming on the 30-minute chart. Looks like we might have a bullish pennant forming on the 30-minute chart. I'm about to. I'm about to. Mm-hmm. How do you share the live on the story or something? All right, we're gonna have to check that out later. I'm about to pull up on it. Yo, if the fan sounds too loud, y'all let me know. But it is, I feel like it's getting a little warm in here, so we're just gonna have to rock with it for a second. Yo. All right, so yeah, if you're just rocking with us, in the meantime, while I'm charting, I'm gonna just take it for the noobs and all that kind of stuff. So if you're just joining, if you're just taking a look, all I want you to do is just rock with your boy for a second. Drop the like, share the live, and of course, join Passive Income University. Yeah, that means. But what I'm looking at is the 30-minute chart. So now, if you're new to trading and you've never traded before, if you've never traded before, what you're looking at right here is what's known as candlesticks, right? So when you're looking at a stock chart or a trading chart and you're seeing all these bars, my mom kind of cracks jokes. She, likens it to like an earthquake or a seismograph or something like that. But each one of these rectangles, each one of these bars is what's known as a candlestick. All right. And so each one of these represents a duration of time. It's the same amount of time for each one. Now, for me, I have this set on the 30-minute chart. So if you're talking to somebody and they're like, "Oh, what chart, what time frame do you use?" Right now, each one of these rectangles or candlesticks or bars represents 30 minutes of time. This is a 30-minute chart. So if you can see on the bottom of the screen where the time is at, this represents 6:30 West Coast time. This bar here was 7 o'clock. This one was 7:30. This is 8, 8:30, 9, 9:30, and we're at the 10 o'clock. So what appears to almost be like either a bull flag or a bullish pennant is starting to form right here on Baba on the 30-minute chart. And Baba appears to try to be closing a gap that formed between Friday and today. So there is some bullish sentiment, even though we almost have full time frame continuity to the downside. So I would exercise caution. If you already are in calls, depending on when you got in, this would be a good time to take profit. If you weren't already in calls, but you are feeling bullish, I would not chase. I wouldn't chase. We've already pretty much closed most of the gap. And so I would just, take a step back and wait for another setup to present itself. The thing about trading is all about being patient and just waiting for a setup to get to you. So here we're looking at SPY on this 30-minute chart. And we almost have a shooting star forming, a shooter, but let's see. I usually like to wait for a couple of indications before going uh bearish, looking for a pullback or retracement on the day. Today's very, very bullish. So y'all know how that goes. All right. Okay, okay. Here we go. All right. Yo, Joe, thanks for joining. Joe, if you got any questions, if you're still around, just let me know. It's so crazy. I can't really, it's a trip. So, Joe, I can't really see it. It'd be dope if on TikTok you could at least like wave to people and acknowledge them. But yo, Joe, I appreciate you for joining the live. If you still are here, if you still can hear me, looks like you dipped in and out really quick. But I wonder if I could. Let's see how that goes. Let's see if she gets notified. But anyways, I thank y'all for tapping in. Even if you're just stopping by for like a minute or two, I just appreciate everything like that. And, we could do a live one-on-one session. Yep, 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 yep. All right. And we're talking about what we're looking at here. This is Google. Let's add that watermark on it so we know. I'm a double up on it. Wow. All right, so we are looking at Google. Mm-hmm. Yo, yo, yo. It's a trip because I feel like there's a delay, but Babu Judd, thanks for joining, bro. Up, and he's gone. Gotta get on these lives, gotta get on it. All right, I'm about to pull up on a looking at Spy. Let's see if we can get QQQ added up on here. Pull up on a what the decline. If you guys want to get on the live, just we got to be following each other. Yo, CEO Jason Liam, thanks for joining, bro. Really appreciate you. We're just doing a little bit of charting. This is for the noobs. So if if you're not a beginner when it comes to charting, don't want to bore you too much, but I do appreciate you joining. Or if there's any ticker symbols you want me to take a look at, clearly today is a very bullish day in the market, meaning the market is heading up. Right now, we've got the QQQ up. I like to trade on the 30-minute time frame, which is what you see here. So if you got any questions or ticker symbols you want me to look at, take a look. Yo, Malik Asif, thanks for joining, bro. I appreciate you. If you got a ticker symbol, if you got any questions, just let me know so I can get that answer for you. But just taking a look at some different charting. I've already got my trades done for the day, got it in my trading journal. So if you join Passive Income University, you'll be able to see all my trades. Yo, Malachi, thanks for joining, man. I appreciate you. Thank you. Thank you. Steve, what's up? What's up, Steve? I see you. Thanks for joining. If you got any questions, any ticker symbols that you want me to take a look at, y'all just drop them in the chat so I can make sure I get those questions answered for you. Yep. Yes, indeed. But I appreciate y'all. So we're just going through and we're taking a look at different tickers. Clearly, today is a very bullish day. This is Apple that we're looking at right here. And of course, it's bullish. If y'all saw, there was news that that iPhone had survived that plane. Yo, shout out to Craig. If you're not following Craig, the Mad Bioengineer, just go ahead and give him a follow. He's a super dope dude. So I appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Mm-hmm. All right. All right. So we're looking at the 30-minute chart for Apple. And let me go ahead and get that watermark thrown on the background. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. If I click that, no, it won't work. All right. Yep, yep, yep. I'm about to pull up in this. All right, so we're looking at the Apple 30-minute chart. And like I was notating earlier, so most of the market today is pretty bullish, as you can already tell. We've got things running up, but we also got a break of structure. All right. So we have this downward trend, pretty much kind of like starting off the new year. And then now we're kind of bouncing off of this low of Friday, and we're breaking the structure to head up to the upside. Apple might have somewhat of a little bit of push, got a little bit of gas today off of the news of that iPhone falling out of the plane and surviving. Um, I don't even know how they were able to tell and determine that that iPhone fell out of that plane. Well, maybe the passenger was able to track it. Now that I think about it, if the phone was still on, it was still intact, and that passenger can confirm, like, yeah, my phone fell out over the sky of Illinois or something like that. So, yeah, that means. All right. So we're just gonna keep on rocking, keep on rocking. I'm gonna go through and add the watermarks on all these. Yes, we got Walmart. I'm about to pull up on the. Uh-huh. Yep, yep, yep. All right, all right. So yeah, y'all share the live. Let's get down. Let's talk about it. Let's get into it. Any questions that you might have? I'm really curious about Bank of America's earnings. I really am. I'm wondering how that's going to turn out Friday. Yo, yo, yo. Thanks for joining. What's up, Gavin? What's up, man? Thanks for tapping in. If you got any questions, any ticker symbols you want me to look at, I appreciate you liking the live, bro. Much love. Much shout out to Gavin. If you have anything you want me to look at when it comes to trading, just let me know. Shout out to Gavin. Yo, Franciscan Cigar Company. Yo, what's up, y'all? I actually just started. I just got into cigars and things like that and just learning about them. So if you have any suggestions or anything, let's tap in. I don't know if you guys go live. if you do educational videos, but I'll be sure to check y'all out and possibly give y'all a follow. But I appreciate you for joining. So while you're here, Franciscan Cigar Co., if you have any ticker symbols you want me to take a look at, I could break them down in terms of an investing standpoint or maybe a trading standpoint, and I'll let you know what I would do. So that's all that we're doing. We're just going through ticker symbols. I've already got my trades in and done for the day. So we're just kind of seeing how the market plays out for the rest of the day. It's still some bullish sentiment, but we might see somewhat of a pullback ending out the second half of the day. So right now, this is the Google 30-minute chart. And if you're new to trading, each one of these bars are known as candlesticks, and each one of these represents 30 minutes of time. As you can see here, we've got this 30-minute chart. Now, if anything on this chart is distracting or is hard for you to keep up with, let me know and I'll remove it, and we can just take it from the basics. But we are looking at the Google 30-minute chart. It broke yesterday's high, and by yesterday, we're talking about Friday, and it has continued to run up, but we are seeing a little bit of resistance here. So now, for me, like I said, I've already done my trades for the day, but I am kind of looking at what plays I would do if I was still to be trading. Yo, William Renee, thanks for tapping in. Thanks for joining the live. Like I said, if you guys join Passive Income University today, you will get the first 30 days free. And I like to do giveaways and rewards to our community members. Last year, I gave away a total of $500. This year, I'm going for $1,000. So community members are rewarded. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for rocking with me. But if you can, just like the live, share the live, or whatever the case may be. I appreciate anything that you do. And I appreciate you just rocking with me, even giving me your time today. So that means a lot. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. Looks like we still got the Franciscan Cigar Company here. So I definitely got a note to check y'all out. I put a note over here. So I will go back and check out your page after I'm done with the live. But just for while you're here, I appreciate you rocking. So we've got somewhat of a bearish sentiment starting to form on this candle. We got 10 minutes left on this 30-minute candle right here, but we did have a bearish signal right here that could have indicated some downside, but it was basically a little bit of liquidity. It got some more gas, and now the market is still kind of running up on the SPY. All right, here we got the QQQ, about the same thing. So just overall bullish sentiment. NVIDIA is up $23 today. What the heck? Who saw that coming? Yo, what's up? Great. Thanks for joining the live. I appreciate it. Thanks for tapping in. I see you. I see you. If you got any questions or any ticker symbols you want me to take a look at, just let me know. Just let me know. Let me know. All right. Let's see if I can see. All right. Looks like I can't really see that there, but I appreciate y'all for joining. I'm about to pull up on it. All right. Google with some pushing up, trying to get back to the daily high. Full-time content frame, FTC up, full time frame continuity up on Google right now, going up to the upside. So if you are new and you got any questions, just drop them in the chat. Just let me know. That way I can get them answered and I can give you value. I don't know how to pronounce your name. It looks like it's Natuluivi. Thank you for joining. Thanks for stopping by. So I see you. If you have any questions, just drop them in the chat. If you want me to look at any ticker symbols, any companies, I got you. So I appreciate you rocking with me. Even if it's just for a few minutes, it does mean a lot. All right. We got some consolidation right now with Walmart. So we'll see if it's going to break to the downside or break to the upside. Mm-hmm. All right. All right. All right. But yeah, so like I said, if you join Passive Income University today, you'll get access to the Discord for the first 30 days for free. As you can see here, these are the different channels that we have. So I got things for beginners if you're new to trading, things for investors because trading and investing is different. So I got things for both for everybody in here. There's courses, there's exams, quizzes, assessments. We go live. Yo, Kai 365 in the building. Kai 365 is in the building. Thanks for joining, bro. And we've got, I can't really pronounce your name, but I'm going to call you Mr. Bashir. Mr. Bashir just tapped in. So, yo, y'all just share the live. I appreciate it. You guys already know the drill. If you're on live with me, I like to just do breakdowns and get value. So if there's any company or any ticker symbol that you want me to look at, just go ahead and drop it in the chat. Drop that in the chat. All right. But like I said, what you see in front of you right here is just a brief little preview of my Discord community. And what you can see here is the different rooms that we have in the server. Like I said, I have a YouTube channel. There's a private YouTube channel with all the videos for community members. So every recording that I do, it is any live, any course, any class, any trading. I record them and then I make them accessible and open to the Discord community members at all times. So if there's anything you ever wanted to go back and look at, you can always tap in, go to our resources channel, and you will be able to see. So right now, if you look at our, where is it at? Right up at the resources, tools and resources right here. Yo, thanks for the follow. Thanks for the follow, Mr. Bashir. I don't know how to pronounce your name. It looks like it's Efren. Mr. Bashir, I thank you for the follow, man. I appreciate the love. I appreciate that. I appreciate it. I'm trying to get you back. Got you on the follow back, bro. Thank you so much. But like I said, if you have any questions, just drop it. But this is the Discord community. Let me see if I can kind of make the visuals a little bit better for us. I'll bring myself down, bring me up to about right there. Let's bring this up. But yeah, so here's the Discord community. Here are the different channels in the Discord. Like I said, I do awards and giveaways. Um, Gave out $500. My goal is to give out $1,000. We've got books and education. If you are new to trading, you can start in this channel, and there's documents and resources and videos and everything like that just for you. If you're more so of a long-term investor, we've got a whole channel for you. And I go live and I do courses every single week. So whatever the case that you need to help you get started with the stock market, of course, we got a nice chill lobby where people just kind of hang out. You can drop your favorite music. You can drop whatever movies you're looking at. It's just a place for people to chill out in there. But let's take a look back at the market. All right. So I'll start from the top. Here's SPY still looking to be bullish. This line that we see right here is the monthly and yearly open, this red line that you see right on the screen. So this is where SPY is at today. And it looks like SPY is trying to make itself back up to the monthly and yearly open for 2024. I think we might just run out a little bit of gas before we get there, or we might see a big push in the last hour of the day. We will see. Should be about the same thing for QQQ. I don't think I have that indicator turned on, so let me turn it on. Boom. All right. Yo, Brad Broughton, thanks for joining the live, bro. I see you, Brad. You got any questions about trading or investing? Just drop the ticker symbol or whatever the question is in the chat. I'm just going over things for all the newbies out there, all the beginning steps. Like I said, if you join the Discord community today, you get the first 30 days free. You get access to everything. Nothing is limited, nothing is restricted. You can join today and get all access to all of it: stocks, options, my courses that we had where we linked up with real estate agents or real estate professionals, things to show people how to get their resumes together. So all of that's in here. Like I said, I'm really proud because you get the first 30 days free. And on top of that, you get access to my live trading journal. So I don't front. This is my January trading journal right here. It's kind of, the visual's a little off just because I'm trying to fit it in the screen for y'all. But here is today's performance. These 4 trades right here is today. So I over traded. My first trade was a loss, and then I just worked on trying to claw it all back. But overall, in this very moment for January, I am down a couple $100, but that comes with the territory. You know, you might start off a little shaky, kind of like taking off in an airplane. There might be a little bit of turbulence at the beginning, but you're just getting to cruising altitude. So this will change and turn around. But one thing I take a lot of pride in is I don't hide anything. I feel like I'm the only trader that is this transparent. So in my Discord community, you have access to my live trading journal, all the trades that I talk about, every trade that I did, even trades that I didn't even tell the community, you know, because the trades that I put into the community are the ones that I have the highest conviction and the highest confidence in. The other trades that I might not mention are ones that I'm just either trying out a new strategy or I'm testing something out. But regardless if I announce it or not, my live trading journal is put into the Discord community. And so everybody has access to this whole thing. Every trade that I did, the time that I took it, my notes on the trade, where could I have improved? Where did I feel like I did good? So you can join today, first 30 days free. And I have TradeZella connected as well. So at the end of each month, I put the statements from TradeZella and the statements from my broker where I trade into the Discord community so that nothing is being hidden. Like I said, I feel like I'm the only trader that is that's this transparent. I don't think anybody else is as transparent as I am. And then I even got over here some stats to check out for each month. So you can see in this very moment, this is what my performance is looking like. My average trade is about 4,600 bucks. I'm losing about $17 on each trade. My average win is 137, average loss 263, average percentage win and loss. So everything like that is straight up there. Everything is straight up in front of everybody. But we're just starting off for January, so I'm not letting these numbers trip me out. Remember, the name of the game is not to get emotional. It's just to increase your discipline and increase your risk management, and you'll be good from there. But like I said, if anybody has any questions, man, just feel free to drop the ticker symbols into the chat and I can take a look at it from either a long-term investing perspective or a short-term trading opportunity perspective. But it does look like we've got QQQ still running up. Let me zoom in, and I don't even know why I do it like that anymore when I can just hit this little pop-up tool. All right. So here we go. We've got the QQQ running up big time, trying to continually be bullish. Just got more gas. Yo, what's going on? Let me see. In Cuba Dor Santar, if that's how you pronounce it. I appreciate you for stopping by and joining. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm about to pull up on that, man. I'm about to pull up. I'm about to pull up on that. I'm about to, I'm about to, I'm about to, I'm about to. I don't even know how long I've been live. Does it say how long I've been on this Zoom right quick? It doesn't say. I have no idea how long I've been live. Let me see if I can scroll through and does it give me any kind of time? I don't know. I don't know. I can't even tell, like, when did I go live? When did I start this? I need some kind of indication. I need some kind of indication on this mug. Mhm. I'm about to pull up on it. I'm about to pull up. About to pull up on it. Yo, Reyes Hernandez, thanks for joining, bro. Thanks for joining. We're just taking a look at ticker symbols right here. It's a QQQ. The market has been pretty bullish today. So if you got any questions, any ticker symbols you want me to look at, I've already got my trades in, just doing live trading, but I wanted to stick around to see if anybody had any questions. Let's see. Yo, Zenelin, thanks for joining. Yo, June A. King, thanks for joining. Thanks for coming to the live. Really appreciate it. Thank y'all. Thank y'all. Thank y'all. Yo, Wahidan Dewan, thanks for joining. We're just taking a look at what's going on in the market. We've got a lot of bullish sentiment. If anybody heard and saw that story about that Apple iPhone that fell out of the plane and basically was intact. So obviously the market overall is bullish, but it did help to give Apple a little bit of gas. It was a little bit of shaky here, but we're still pushing up. We are still pushing up. So my sentiment right now is if I'm in profit on a trade, I would take it. I think the rest of the day is going to get more choppy and a little shaky in the market. So this is not the time to be greedy. This is the time to exercise risk management and getting out on top while you are ahead. But I appreciate you for joining, Wahid Dewan. That's how you pronounce it. My bad if I didn't pronounce it right. Yep, 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 yep. Let's take a look. But yeah, so if y'all got any questions, I appreciate it, man. Just let me know and we could take a look at a ticker symbol. Here we've got Walmart, got some consolidation going on, somewhat of like a support area, even though on Friday it completely just dropped down like an elevator. But we're looking at Walmart. Mm-hmm. Let's see. I let's see. I'm trying to tell or determine what time did I start going live? Because I really need to hit that marker. Hmm. Is there any way to see what time I started to go live? Yep, 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 yep. I don't know. Hmm. I wonder if this would give me some idea. No. Um, nah, I'm about to pull up on this. I'm about to pull up. Hmm. I'm really trying to figure this out, man. I'm just trying to figure out what time did I start going live. I really should have made a marker of that because I'm kind of blind right now, and this ain't good. This is not good. I got the AI companion on here. If I could. I just can't see it. But anyways, all right, I'm gonna touch back on that in just a second. But let me take a look to see if there's any plays, any trades out here. If there was a trade that I would be getting into, any setups, anything that I could possibly see. That QQQ zoomed in a whole lot. Um, we are getting closer to the end of the day, but still a decent amount of time left that anything could happen. Just right now, just bullish sentiment. Overall, looks like there was just a break of structure. We're headed to the upside overall for the general market, right? The big players out there, Google, Amazon, Apple, things like that. Madhav Subdidi, thanks for joining. I don't know if I pronounced it right, but thanks for tapping in. I appreciate you, man. I see you. If there's any questions that you have, any ticker symbols that you want me to take a look at, just let me know. Like I said, I've already got my trades in for the day. I'm done, but I'm just sticking around to see if I could give any value to anybody that joins the live, any questions that I can answer, or to see what the day is shaping up for either tomorrow or the rest of the week. So if you did join, thank you so much, man. I appreciate it. I appreciate that. Mm-hmm. I'm about to pull up on a I'm about to let's see what we got. Now, this is Bank of America right here, and I'm very curious about Bank of America because they do report earnings on Friday before the market opens. So we've got some bearish activity with Bank of America, but I think it's just to line them up to have a good earnings. I think sometimes I think with the market makers, what they do is they might push things up or down in regards to earnings that are coming up on the horizon or in the next few days. So I definitely would be keeping an eye on Bank of America. Pull up on that. Mhm. What is that? What is going on here? I we want to get a wedge maker thrown on here. Yeah, I'm really wondering about Bank of America. I'm really wondering. They do report earnings coming up on Friday. They drop down. Bearish sentiment. Is there news? All right, so an hour ago, it says Bank of America to take a $1.6 billion non-cash charge as it transitions away from BSBY index for lending. So they got a little bit of some turbulence right there. To pull up on that. And let's take a look at Roblox. Oof, Roblox right here with this bullish engulfing candle. These two signals right here would have told me to take calls. Looking at this from an objective place, these two right here would be calls. Even if you entered in here, you would have did good. Or if you entered in on this candle, just for a quick scalp, depending on how much the contracts moved and depending on where your stop loss is at, you could still be in the trade and be making some money. All right. Khalid. Khalid, I'm not too sure if I'm pronouncing that right, but thank you for joining. Appreciate you. Appreciate you. Mm-hmm. Trying to figure out how long ago did I go live? Like, yo, to pull up in a, I'm about to pull up. All right, y'all, give me just a second. And I'm back. And Assad Ula, thanks for joining, bro. Thanks for joining. I appreciate you. Even if you were just sitting here for a few minutes while I was gone, had to step away, get some more coffee. We're just taking a look at the market right now. What we got in front of us is Roblox. It had a bullish signal here, so this would have been a good opportunity to get into some calls. James Clark, thanks for joining, my guy. I appreciate you just for stepping in. Even if you're only on the live for a few minutes, I'm all about giving value and answering questions. So if there's any ticker symbols, anything that you might have that you want to learn about stock trading or investing, please let me know. And of course, I'd always encourage you to take a look at my Discord community, Passive Income University. You get the first 30 days free. And if you're rocking with it, you can continue with us for $10 a month. Or if you're not rocking with it, you could cancel within that first 30 days. So no harm, no foul. But I'm all about giving value. Right now, we're taking a look at Roblox. As you could probably already tell, I don't know how familiar you are with the market, James, but today's been an overall bullish day in the stock market, meaning that the market has been going up. Shahan Nawazali, thanks for joining. Thanks for coming through. Yep, yep. I'm about to, I'm about to, I'm about to, yo. All right, Chill Horizon. Thanks for stopping through. Thanks for stopping through. So we're just taking a look at some ticker symbols, just doing some live charting and trading. I've already got my trades in for the day, so I'm done. But I wanted to stick around and give value and give answer any questions for anybody that had any questions. So if you're new to trading or if you want to learn about it, you can ask me questions here. We could take a look together, or you could follow me. And on top of that, I really do encourage you to join my Discord community, Passive Income University. You get the first 30 days free, and then it's just $10 a month. But no harm, no foul, no pressure. But whatever I can do to give you value, please let me know. I post everything in the Discord. Like I said, I feel like I'm probably one of the most transparent traders out there because I put my broker statements, my tax statements, my trading journal, all of that stuff is in the Discord. I don't hide anything. So whether I'm doing good or bad, it's all in there. And I can show you right now. So here is my trading journal. It is in an Excel format that has a shareable link. So it's in my community and I share all of my trades. No holds barred, nothing is filtered out. All of my trades, all of my notes and my lessons are all in there. So I know it's a little hard to see everything at once, but if you join, you can take a look at everything that I did, my notes, where I thought I could improve, where I thought I did good, all of that kind of stuff. But you can get a quick look at the Discord community. We have everything in here for new traders, for people that are new to investing, whatever you may need. One thing that I'm really proud about is I do giveaways and rewards for people that support the community. So last year I did $500 giveaways. This year I'm going for $1,000 in giveaways. So take a look, give me a follow, bro. Shout out. I appreciate you just for stopping by. Chill Horizon. That's actually a pretty dope name. I like that. So Chill Horizon, thank you so much for stopping in, man. If you have any ticker symbols or anything like that for me that you want me to take a look at, just let me know. All right. We're taking a look here, taking a look. Hmm. All I'm trying to figure out is when did I start the live? That's all I'm trying to figure out. I'm about to pull up on a, I'm about to, hmm, just taking a look, taking a look. Bank of America's got earnings. So, like I've been saying, I'm gonna be keeping my eye on Bank of America this week because they do have earnings before the market opens on Friday. That's what we're trying to do right now. It's just technical difficulties all over this place. But it is what it is. This is how you get good. I'm about to pull up in. About to pull up. Hmm. There's a lot going on here. Like, yo, what's the deal? What is the deal? Yo, it is just a whole lot. It's just a whole lot. About to pull up in this. To pull up. About to pull up. I'm about to. I'm about to. Hmm, when did I start going live? That's what we're trying to figure out, y'all. Just taking a look at stuff you can share from me. Okay, okay. Can I stop share? Stop sharing. Does it let me know when did I start? How long the meeting has been going for? Can we see that? Can we see how long the meeting has been going for? When did the meeting start? How long has the meeting been going? Oh man. All right. Let me see. I can't tell how long I've been on this meeting, which is crazy. All right, all right. Let's see. I'm about to, I'm about to. Okay, all right, all right, all right. What is going on in the world? That's all I'm trying to figure out is what's going on the world right now. It's crazy. I'm about to pull up in this. I'm about to pull up. I'm about to pull up in this. I'm about to pull up. That is wild. Like that you can't see. I'm gonna figure this out because this is not the business. See, all right, all right, all right. Hmm. iPhone storage is full. Yo, just all kind of hiccups today. All kind of hiccups, but we're just gonna keep rocking with it. We're just gonna keep rocking with it. Uh-huh. I'm about to I'm about to what I'm trying to figure out is when did I go live? That's it. That is it. I might have to end the live just to see when I went live, which is wild. To but let's see how the day is like kind of shaping up. What's the daily candle looking like so far? What is the daily candle looking like so far? Yep, 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 yep. Very bullish, bullish engulfing big time. Bullish engulfing big time. So you might have an opportunity for some kizouge tomorrow. But there's a gap. This gap needs to get closed down here. We've got a gap between Friday and today. So that gap needs to get closed. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. Just trying to hit this 11 o'clock mark, and then I'm going to uh see if I hit my live goal. So with that being said, I just want to give a big shout out and show appreciation and love to everybody who joined, even the interesting interaction we had with Mr. Bashir earlier today. But whatever the case may be, I appreciate all of y'all for tapping in with me, even if you only spent a minute or two of your time on the live. But let it be known, let it be known. All right. Look at Spy is running up, trying to break some barriers. I guess it's closing. It closed this gap. It closed this gap that happened between, let me see, Tuesday and Wednesday of last week. So it's gap closing time, y'all. It is gap closing time. Yeah, did I mean it's gap closing time. mm-hmm. About to, I'm about to. All right, let me go ahead and wind down on that. Streamed an hour and 13 minutes. There we go. An hour and 13 minutes. Cool. And then up here in this, boom.